In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a single page in Canva. This is perfect when you want one page in a multi-page design to be a different size, or when you're preparing a specific page for printing, social media, or a custom export without changing the entire project. Start by opening your project in Canva. From your home page, click the design you want to edit and let it load fully in the editor. Give it a moment to bring in your fonts and images so everything is ready to go. Next, look for the page thumbnails for your design. You'll find these small previews arranged along the bottom or sometimes along the side of the editor, showing each page in order. Hover over the exact page you want to change. Now, right-click directly on that page's thumbnail to bring up the context menu. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger tap works, and on some devices, holding Control while clicking does the same thing. In the menu that appears, choose Resize Page. It's important that you select this from the thumbnail area, not from the main canvas, so Canva knows you only want to resize that one page. Once the Resize panel opens, choose a dimension for your page. You can pick from common presets, like standard document or social sizes, or enter custom dimensions if you have specific requirements. Canva supports units such as pixels, inches, and millimeters, so use the one that matches your destination, whether that's a print spec or a digital format. Keep in mind that changing page size adjusts the workspace, not the content itself. Elements may appear differently in a new aspect ratio. If you're switching from a wide layout to a tall one, for example, give the design a quick look to make sure everything still feels balanced. You can always nudge items slightly to refine the composition after the size change. After you select your size, Canva applies it to that single page. You'll see the page frame update right away in the editor and in the thumbnail strip. If something doesn't look quite right, use My Undo to revert, or simply open Resize Page again and choose a different dimension. And remember, Canva saves your changes automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. That's all there is to it. Open your project, right-click the page thumbnail, choose Resize Page, select your dimensions, and you're done. With this simple technique, you can fine-tune individual pages without affecting the rest of your design. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with precision in Canva.